Hello everyone, this is Nick. Today I will be doing a very down-to-earth, honest review on a Sissy Bar bag and a Sissy Bar that I got from Viking Bags. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and say it from the get-go. It's a really, it's a really nice bag. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. A couple of things that I immediately noticed. It's a very hard shell bag. The material, it's extremely, you can just tell the quality. It's very well made. It's not a flimsy bag whatsoever. I've actually gotten another bag from Amazon before, one of those no brand bags that you can buy at Amazon from China or whatever. It You can't even compare. So this is a Dagger extra large motorcycle Sissy Bar bag. It's supposed to be 43 liters. You can hold a ton of stuff in there. I can say that you can comfortably fit uh, 2 shopping bags of groceries in there. No problem at all. It comes with a strap, but I don't even think you need a strap. It just fits really nicely. Um, yeah, like I was saying, you know, the surprise of how sturdy the material was. It actually comes with an extra compartment attachment. I didn't even bother to put the extra attachment on because there's so much space that it can fit into this bag. I was pleasantly surprised. Again, this is the Dagger Extra Large Motorcycle Sissy Bar Bag by Viking Bags. I highly recommend it. It's very minimalistic, and at the same time, there's a ton of pockets and features. The other thing that also it's worth reviewing is the Sissy Bar that I got. This is a iron-born 25-inch Sissy Bar for the Harley Sportster 883, and look at the look. Doesn't that look incredible? Okay, I guess this is subjective, but I love the look. Even if you're not gonna get a bag, just having that Sissy Bar in the back completely changes the look on your bike. Completely. And I'm certainly an advocate for it. The price is very reasonable. You can go online. In fact, um, I'll add a link to both products on the description of of the video for you to check out. I'm not getting any kickbacks for this. This is an honest review. Look at that. That's awesome, isn't it? This is great for me because I need to go place just to do like run little errands, grocery shopping, and instead of having to like carry everything on my backpack, I can just comfortably fit it on the back of the bike. And you know what? It doesn't even I can't even feel the difference. So from a riding perspective, it's great. Well, that's the review for today. I hope you guys like it. And until next time, take care, guys. Bye.